In this video, we'll demonstrate how to listen to Spotify with friends. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to enjoy Spotify with friends, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's jump straight into this guide. Spotify offers a feature that allows you to listen to music with your friends effortlessly. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, find the song or playlist you want to play with your friends. Tap on the desired content. Then, tap on the speaker icon, usually located in the bottom left. It may vary slightly on different devices. Now, navigate to the bottom of the speaker settings, where you'll find the option to Start a Jam. This feature lets you listen with friends in different places. Tap on Start a Jam, and you'll become the host. Start inviting friends by selecting Invite Friends. Alternatively, you can copy the link and share it with your friends. Once they join your group session, you can play music and podcasts together. Everyone in the session can also contribute to song selection. Keep in mind that this feature requires Spotify Premium and is currently available on mobile devices. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.